How to change password on TikTok. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can change your password on TikTok step by step. It's a quick and easy process, so let's get started. First, you need to open up TikTok app. Once you're in the app, you need to head over to your profile. You can find it in the bottom right corner of your screen. Once you're in the profile, you need to look for the three lines in the top right corner and then you need to click on those. Once you have done that, you need to simply click on settings and privacy. From here, you need to go ahead and click on your account and then you need to click on password. Once you have done that, a 6-digit code will be sent to your email or mobile phone that you have entered before. You need to simply go ahead and then you need to enter the 6-digit code that has been sent to you. And from here, you can now change your password on TikTok. And that's it, you have successfully changed your TikTok password. If this video helped you, please comment below and let us know. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more helpful tips.